brief presentation of the safety features of this Boeing 767 aircraft. If your video monitor is not working, please let a flight attendant know.
We think traveling makes the world smaller. So wherever you go, whether you choose the long way or take the shortcut, try the local color or paint it on. See the old or try the new. Our team of 80,000 professionals is working across the globe to get you where you want to go. Because at Delta, we think the world is only foreign if it's unfamiliar.
Hello, welcome aboard and thanks for flying with Delta. We're proud to serve you and the 180 million customers from around the world that travel with us each year.
Our first priority on every flight is safety, so before we depart, we'll be giving a brief safety demonstration.
Be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. And place smaller items, including hand review. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisle, exit, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you. And remember, they might be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.